When the blender blades gets this dirty and all the residues stick to the blades, how you would clean it? Putting your hands inside the blender and trying to clean the blades with your hands is the last thing you want to do. Instead, I am going to show you a faster method which cleans the blades and inside the jug like the first day without you even needing to put your hands in there. Add some of your washing liquids directly inside the blender's jug and add 1 cup of tap water to it, just a room temperature water. Place the lid and turn the blender on medium speed for a few seconds. Not to forget, this blender is one of the best blenders that I've bought. It does everything you can imagine, from making different kinds of dips to making all kinds of nut butters, blending all kinds of smoothies, hot soups and raw vegetables. With many different functions to make the blending easier, it comes with full accessories. I am very happy with it and the price is really good for what you get. I will leave the link of this blender for you at the description box of the video as well as the first comment. Once finished, discard the water and without even needing to put your hands in there, just rinse it under running water. And there you go, a brand new blender jug every single time.